In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can record, edit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record and edit PS5 gameplay for your YouTube using PlayStation 5's built-in tools and the free Share Factory Studio app. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by launching whatever game you want to go ahead and record, and just press that create button, and what you're going to see is a screen that looks something like this. Go ahead and navigate over to the capture options on the far right, and from here, customize your screenshot and video file type. I would recommend selecting this to MP4 and JPEG, just like so, just because it is the most usable. But from here, record any gameplay that you would like by just selecting this start new recording option. After recording for a little bit, you just got to press that capture button again and then stop recording, and boom, you're going to see it saved just like so. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is actually just back out of the app that you're currently playing. Go to the home screen and navigate over to the PlayStation Store. And what you're going to want to do once you get on this PlayStation Store is actually scroll on the top menu until you get to the search tab up in the right and just search for Studio. Factory, and just wait for it to load. It might take a second depending on your internet, but find this Share Factory Studio app right here. Open this up, hit view product, and then hit download on this app. It's not going to take too long to download. It is a pretty short app overall, but while it's downloading, what you're going to want to do when it loads up is essentially just open it, start a new project, select the theme. I would recommend just doing the simple creator pack and then adding gameplay clips and renaming the project if desired. And then if you do hit continue, you're going to be able to navigate your timeline by using the right stick and the touchpad. You can zoom in and zoom out using L1 and R1, or by hitting up or down on the D-pad. But essentially, select a clip, press square, choose it, and then you can trim it, split it, move it, and do really whatever you like. You can also add elements like clip, screenshot, track, voiceover, music, really whatever you like. And whenever you're done, press triangle to render that video, and it's going to save it to your media gallery, which then you'll go over that media gallery, press share, YouTube, customize that title, description, privacy, and then hit upload, and it's going to be directly uploaded to YouTube. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.